If you're homeschooling a toddler or a pre-K kid and math feels harder than it should, it's not your child. And it's probably not you either. It's the way most of us were taught to teach it. Most parents accidentally turn early math into pressure, and pressure is the fastest way to make a child avoid numbers. So if counting turns into resistance, if worksheets feel like a battle, if you're second-guessing yourself, good, because that means you care. Now let me give you a simple daily routine that makes this easier. No prep, no fancy materials, no math degree required, just a plan you can start tomorrow. Quick reframe. Here's the biggest misunderstanding. Early math isn't count to 10. Early math is quantity, patterns, comparison, and math language. If your child can recite 1 to 10, that's memory. But if they don't understand what 3 actually means, that's not math yet. So we're going to build understanding. And we're going to do it in about 10 minutes a day. The daily routine. In 5 parts, part 1, calendar, plus sequencing. Start with a calendar, any calendar. Every morning, point to today, say the day name slowly, then say the date. Now do something most parents skip. Count forward to the date number, then count backwards from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This builds sequencing, and it also teaches your child that numbers go both directions. That's logic. Part 2. Quantity, not just counting. Now grab objects your child actually likes. Dinosaurs, cars, blocks, snacks. Put one down. Say 1, add 1 more. Say 2, add 1 more. Say 3. Now pause. Ask, how many? If they don't know, that's fine. You're not testing them. You're exposing them. Here's the key. When you count, touch each object. 1 touch, 1 number. That's one-to-one correspondence. That is the foundation. Without that foundation, counting is just a song. Part 3. Comparison language. Now make 2 small groups. Put 3 dinosaurs on one side. Put 5 dinosaurs on the other. Don't ask what number is this yet. Ask this instead. Which group has more? Which group has less? Which is bigger? Which is smaller? This is where math becomes real. Because math isn't only numbers. Math is language. More, less. Same, different. If your child learns these words, math becomes easier later. Part 4. Patterns. Now do patterns. And keep it simple. Red block, blue block. Red block, blue block. Then stop. Ask, what comes next? If they guess wrong, don't correct like it's a test. Say, let's try again together. Patterns are early algebra. Yes, algebra. It's logic, it's prediction, it's structure. Kids love patterns when you keep it playful. Part 5. Real-life math. Now take math out of learning time. Bring it into real life. Walking upstairs, count steps, putting on shoes. Which shoe goes first? Setting the table. How many plates do we need? In the kitchen? Do we need more apples or more bananas? This is how kids learn math without resistance. Because it doesn't feel like a lesson. It feels like life. Quick troubleshooting. Now listen. If your child refuses, walks away, or gets silly, that's normal. That doesn't mean they can't learn. It means the moment got too heavy. So lighten it, shorten it, do less. A calm 2 minutes beats a stressful 20 minutes. Every time. Here's the truth. You don't need more random activities. You need a routine. Because routines remove guessing. And guessing is what makes parents feel stuck. If you want the full step-by-step system, what to do, what to say, and how to build number sense without pressure, I put everything into one simple guide. It's linked below. Stop guessing. Start with a plan.